Lorenzo, and I have a team by the name of Castle Boys Mapusa. I've been running this team since 2005. Right, and the whole reason of starting off this team was like getting the youngsters to play. It was a couple of friends that we got together, and we saw a lot of youngsters interested in football out over here, but never got an opportunity to play. So we got this team together, and we started with a few seniors and a lot of young talent that played with us. And over the years, it was a transition where the senior players moved out and the youngsters took over the team. And that's where I'm standing right now and managing the team from playing to managing now.
What are strengths of your team of Castle Boys Mapusa?
Castle Boys Mapusa is one thing that we have a lot of players who are playing together over the period of time, and it's teamwork and it's the unity and the harmony that we have in the team that actually helps us move forward.
Do you have any new signings for this Ramadan tournament?
Yes, we do have a couple of new youngsters that have moved in with us, and another senior player by the name of Plato. He's been around over here for quite a few years and played for several fantastic teams out here in the Goan League, but now he's playing for us as a stopper back. It's Plato D'Souza, and also we have a couple of youngsters by the name of Maven. We have Keenan, and also soon another boy is going to be joining us by the name of Sean.
Okay, and last, what's the message you want to give to our entire Goan football fans all across the globe, especially from Dubai?
Yes, basically what I would say is back home in Goa and also out here, a very simple message. Okay, you see talent, help the talent to grow. Invest quality time in them, and let them actually achieve what they want to achieve. They love football, so let them go ahead and play the sport that they love. All the best, Castle Boys Mapusa.